Hello, I am Vani from Gossipfunda. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about how to increase RAM in our phone virtually. For this, we need to go to settings and type RAM on search bar, and you find the option RAM expansion, and you have to click on that, and you see you can expand your RAM from 2 GB to 5 GB. It's depend on your needs. If your phone does not show this option, you need to update your software version. We have another option to increase RAM speed. For this, we have to install a third-party application like RAM Booster. Now, I'm going to show you how to install a RAM Booster from Play Store. Now, we have to search a RAM Booster in a search bar, and we find too many apps like this, and select any app from list of the apps. I'm selecting this one, so I'm installing this. Now I'm open. It's opening. There is so many apps. It depends on your size and the memory. You can install any app. You have to check how much RAM occupies your memory time. You have to clear the cache of your recently used apps. This will also help to increase RAM speed. Okay, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda. Don't forget to like, share, and